Okay, today we're going to take a look at a Monoset tool and cutter grinder made by Cincinnati-Milacron. This is the way you sharpen certain types of tools. You have a spindle here to hold your workpiece, which is on a swiveling axis. This axis can also be moved in a linear movement with this control here and a fine feed here. You also have your travel in this direction. And if you lock this down and open this here, it allows you to travel using the back hand wheel. One has to be clamped at all times and one open in order for that to work. Also, a unique thing about the, now this spindle has a collet, if you can see this. There is a lot of tooling with this machine, which we'll show you in the photographs on our website, but you have a spring collet in there that you pull out, and the nose is what compresses the collet around your workpiece. These indents are on here for the index pawl, which is in part of the tooling package. This can also be made a motorized spindle for some type of cylindrical grinding. What you also have back here when you engage this in the, there's also different cams that can go in the machine. This machine is including the 3 standard cams, 8, 10, and 12. So now when we move our table in, you'll notice that the spindle rotates. Now this can all be adjusted in the rear of the machine for that relationship, for grinding spirals and sharpening spiral drills and spiral leads and what have you. Okay. This can be turned on in a, like I said, there's a small belt that goes over the front of this spindle nose. Excuse me. It's giving me quite the hard time to put on. There you go. And we should have a motorized spindle that you could use for some form of cylindrical grinding up against the grinding wheel here. We also have our spindle slide, which you have the DRO hooked up to. That's an Accurite Quick Count 2 DRO. So we have this axis and we have this axis. Plus we have all the different stops here and adjustments. Also the spindle can go up or down. And we'll go ahead and turn it on. Like I said, we're going to show you the rest of the tooling that goes with this machine. It's currently wired for 220 volts, 230 volts. And thank you.